And good morning, everybody. Today we are on page 33. Actually, we're still on page 32, but we're just going to do the very last part of 32. So we're almost on 33. Join me now, right here, and we will talk about these. How much? 有多少? How many? 有多少? A lot of, 很多, lots of, 很多. Okay, how much 和 how many 的意思是有多少，和 a lot 还有 a lot of 的意思是很多。为什么我们要学习这两个？因为在 uncountable 和 countable 的句子里面，我们需要用不同的，但是这是很简单。你可以看。如果你在说一个 uncountable 的东西，如果你在问它有多少个 uncountable 的东西，或者如果你在说我有很多这个 uncountable 的东西，你就用 much。如果你问有多少个 countable 的东西，你就用 many 吧。All right, let's see. How much sugar is there in a lemon? 一个柠檬里有多少糖？Sugar 是 uncountable 的，所以我们问 how much. How many people eat avocado as a dessert? 有多少个人吃牛油果作为他们的甜品？现在我们在说就是人是可数的一个名词，所以你用 how many。那么简单。Let me close my door. I can hear dogs barking outside. Huh. The window is closed, but I can still hear the loud dogs. Dogs! All right. 如果你说我不吃很多巧克力，因为巧克力是不可数的，所以你用 much. We haven't got many apples. 我们没有很多苹果。苹果是 countable, 所以你用 many. 很简单。uncountable 用 much, countable 用 many. 那么简单。A lot of 还有 lots of 不管是 countable 还是 uncountable 没关系。Bananas have got a lot of sugar. Sugar 是 uncountable. Avocados 是 countable, 但是我们还是会说 a lot of people like avocados. Watermelons have got lots of water. Water uncountable. Honey has got lots of vitamins. Vitamins countable, 但是我们还是用 lots of. 所以 lots of 和 a lot of 是差不多一模一样。How much, how many 就是这样子吧。那么简单，今天。Now, we're really on page 33. We typically use how much and how many in questions and negative sentences. Use many with plural. Let's see, how many countable nouns. And much with uncountable nouns. Use a lot of and lots of with both countable and uncountable what? Nouns, 名词. Oops, spelled it wrong. Nows. Hey, nouns. All right. Let's circle the correct words in 1 through 6, then match them with answers A through F. In other words, 换一句话说, these are the first part of the sentence, these are the second part of the sentence. 我们要配合句子的第一步骤，句子的第一部分跟句子的第二部分。How much 还是 how many apples do you want? Okay. 如果是 countable, 当然是 many. Number 2. How 有多少个 sugar is there in an avocado? 一个牛油果有多少个糖? Okay, sugar is uncountable, so it's how much. How much sugar? This is so easy, isn't it? Number 3. Are there much 还是 many boys in your class? Boys is plural, 而且如果有一个 s 那肯定是 countable, 所以 it's how many boys. Number 4. How peppers are there? Peppers, 辣椒. Peppers are countable, so it's how many peppers are there? 5. How 什么 time have you got? 你有多长时间剩下的? Time is uncountable, so it's how much time. Number 6. Have you got 什么 homework? 你有没有很多作业? Homework is uncountable, 不可数, so it's many. Bada bing, bada boom. Already done with the first part. Now let's match these with these. How many apples do you want? 配合哪一个答案? Just one, please. Okay. 我只要一个，谢谢你。这个有道理。我们还看一下，看有没有其他。Only 10 minutes? No. 只有10分钟? No. 这个跟 apples 没有关系。No, I haven't got any. 他没有问了你想要多少个 apples， 他问了他没有问你有多少个 apples， 他问你想要 want 多少个 apples， 所以这个是不对的。I have no idea. I think it's a lot. Okay. 那你想要多少个 apples？ 我不知道，我不觉得是很多。这个不对的，因为你可以这样说，但是没有太大道理。你自己不知道你要多少个 apples 呢？那谁知道？ So it's not this one. Yes, there are 12 and 5 girls. No. No. B. Oh, did I forget? 我忘记了第一。I think there are about 5. 我觉得有大概5个，但是我们没有问他觉得有多少，我们问他要是多少个 apples 吧。Number 2. How much sugar is there in an avocado? 一个牛油果里面有多少糖? Only 10 minutes? No, I haven't got any. 我问了 avocado 有没有，不是你有没有。I have no idea. I don't think it's a lot. 这个是有可能的。Yes, there are 12 and 5 girls. 一点都没有道理。This one is E. 我不知道，我不觉得是很多。3. Are there many boys in your class? Only 10 minutes? No. I think there are about 5. Okay. A. 很可能是有很多男孩子们在你的班里，我觉得大概有5个。可以这样说。Only 10 minutes? No. No, I haven't got any. Okay. No, I haven't got any boys in my class 可以说，但是我们没有说你有多少个 boys， 我们问了你的课有多少个 boys， 所以no, I haven't got any 不对的。如果是 no, it hasn't got any， 那我们可以说这个有道理，但是他没有。Yes, there are 12 and 5 girls. Yes, there are 12 boys and 5 girls. 这两个都有道理，这两个都可以用。你觉得哪一个更合适？ Which one do you think is better? I think it's F, because boys and girls, 是同一个话题吧。So let's write an F, and because we're not completely sure, we can write a question mark here. 如果以后我们发现其他一个答案不太对了，那我们就知道这个有可能是问题吧。How many peppers are there? I think there are about 5. Okay. No, I haven't got any. No. Only 10 minutes. No. It's A. 我觉得有5个左右。How much time have you got? Only 10 minutes. 肯定是 only 10 minutes. 我只有10分钟。Have you got many homework? I 我刚才说错了。我给你们一个不对的答案。Homework 是不可数的，所以我们不能用 many， 我们需要用 a lot of。 你有没有早一点发现了我的错误？如果有的话，你很厉害；如果没有的话，那抱歉，我给你错的答案。A lot of homework. Many 是用在可数的名词，这是一个不可数的名词，所以是 a lot of。你有没有很多作业？ No, I haven't got any. 没有，我没有任何 any 作业。Actually, let's go for workbook page 28. This should be pretty easy. We're on workbook page 28. How many desks are there in your classroom? Many 是用来 countable 上。Try to do it yourself, then come back for the answers. My school hasn't got 很多 computers. 我的学校没有很多 computers. Computers is countable, so it's many. How 什么 butter do we need? 我们需要多少黄油? How much? Because it's uncountable. I haven't got many friends. 我没有很多朋友. I haven't got 什么 time before dinner. Time is not countable, so it's much. How 什么 legs has a spider got? 一个蜘蛛有多少个腿? How many? Countable. 看到一个 s 很可能是 countable. Oops. How 什么 ice cream is there in the fridge? 有多少在冰箱里的冰淇淋? Ice cream 像一个液体一样，所以 it's how much? Uncountable. 7. We haven't got 什么 homework tonight. 我们没有很多作业今天晚上. We haven't got much homework tonight. Sweet. That was pretty easy. Let's okay, 这个可以告诉我们怎么可以用 a lot of 还有 much 还有 many. This is on I haven't got a lot of friends. 我没有很多朋友们。你也可以说 I haven't got many friends. 意思是一模一样。1. There aren't a lot of people here. There aren't people 是 countable, 所以 many. There aren't many people here. 要么可以写在这里，要么可以写在这里，你随便。There isn't a lot of sugar in my coffee. A lot of 的意思是很多 many 和 much 的意思是很多，但是 sugar 是 uncountable, 所以是 much. We haven't got much time. Please don't buy much cheese. There aren't a lot of songs on this CD. There aren't many songs on this CD. Hundreds of people went to the concert, but there weren't a lot of teenagers. 几百个人去了音乐会，但是没有很多青少年人。There weren't many teenagers. There isn't a lot of information in this book. Information is uncountable, so there isn't much information in the book. Cool. That was fast. Let's go back to the student's book. Listening on page 33. 第33页的 listening. What we are going to do is complete the menu with words from the list. Listen and check. First, let's guess. 我们先猜一下，然后我们 listen and check. 听有查。Cheesecake. Cheesecake is 奶酪蛋糕. Chips. In the UK, chips are 薯条. In America, chips are 薯片. Tomato, 番茄. Onion rings. Onion rings 是像一个薯条一样，像 chips 或者像 French fries 一样，但是它们是一个圈，而且它们的味道是 onion. Onion rings are like a chips or like a French fry, but it's a circle, and it is flavored like onion. Pretty good. Chicken, 鸡肉. Spinach and mushroom, 菠菜还有蘑菇. These two together are very good. Hot chocolate, 热巧克力. It's a drink. And fruit. Fruit is 水果. Blues Cafe menu. A menu is a 菜单. 这是 Blues Cafe's menu. Our delicious starters. A starter is a small dish that you eat before your big dish. 你吃你的大顿饭之前，你可以吃一个小零食。这个零食是一个 starter， 它可以让你开始吃吧。这是为什么它是叫一个 starter。我们的很好吃的 starters。什么 soup? Mushroom soup. Okay, so these are the first starter is 什么 soup. The second starter is mushroom soup. The third starter is 什么 omelet. The fourth starter is a ham and cheese omelet. Okay, so what kind of soup do you think there is? Cheesecake soup? No, that would be weird. Chip soup, tomato soup, yes, probably. Onion ring soup, chicken soup, yes. Spinach and mushroom soup, maybe. Hot chocolate, 还是 fruit. Okay. We really don't know. 我们不知道. It could be, my best guesses are tomato and chicken soup. So let's move on. When you don't know, you can move on. 做下一个，然后看，你越做会有越来越少可选择的，然后你可以回来做你之前不知道的吧。什么 omelet? Tomato omelet 可以 chicken omelet. Yes. Spinach and mushroom omelet. Yes. 有太多，我真的不知道。Let's go to the lunch specials. 这些是a special is a 折扣，一个特别的价格。So this is a 特别价格的 lunch. Steak, 牛排 grilled 什么 grilled 的意思是烧烤的 grilled fruit, grilled probably chicken. Okay. What else can you grill? You don't grill cheesecake, you don't grill chips, you don't grill tomatoes. I think chicken is here. Let's write chicken here. Okay, 现在我们发现了我的其中我的要在这里的选择就已经被占用了，所以我们很好。Pasta with tomatoes, 面条还有番茄。Side dishes, 辅助的菜，比如说你可以点一大顿饭，然后在你的辅助菜可以是一个菜或者一个零食什么的。They're side dishes. They're pretty small. Mixed salad. Fruit. I think fruit has got to be one. Fruit is like a side dish. And onion rings. Onion rings. Onion rings are like 薯条. Onion rings. Hold on, wait a second. I see chips. Chips are a side dish. I think fruit might not be. Let's do chips first. Chips. Desserts. 甜品. 我看到有 desserts, 所以我觉得 fruit is probably a 甜品. Yogurt and strawberries. 酸牛奶还有草莓. Vanilla and chocolate ice cream. 草味还有巧克力的冰淇淋 and probably no, not fruit. Cheesecake. Because cheesecake is more like a dessert. Fruit is not really a dessert. Drinks. Oh, now I know. Fruit juices. 不是单独的 fruit. It's not fruit by itself. It's fruit juices. And hot chocolate. Because hot chocolate is a drink. Hi, Badooby. Okay, now there's only tomato and spinach and mushroom. We know that these two are here. I'm going to guess tomato soup. And I'm going to guess spinach and mushroom omelet. Okay. I think we're probably right. Let's listen and check.
Welcome to the Blues Cafe. We've got some
Unit 3, page 33. Listening. Exercise 1.
Welcome to the Blues Cafe. We've got some delicious starters today. There are 2 soups, tomato and mushroom soup. There's a spinach and mushroom omelette, and we've got a ham and cheese omelette. Our lunch specials are steak, grilled chicken, or pasta with tomatoes. For side dishes, there's chips, onion rings, and a mixed salad. And last but not least, our wonderful desserts. Yogurt and strawberries, vanilla and chocolate ice cream, and there's also cheesecake. And if you want something to drink, we've got hot chocolate, mineral water, fruit juices, and tea and coffee.
Yeah, we got 100%. Aw, yeah. E by fun. A plus. Star. Yes. Jane and Sam are in the Blues Cafe. Listen and find out who eats more. Listen again and complete the sentences below. Let's read the sentences first before we listen. Jane wants the 什么 Jane 想要什么 Sam orders 什么 Sam 点什么菜 He doesn't want 他不想要什么 Alright, let's listen.
Unit 3, page 33. Listening. Exercises 2 and 3.
Hello, I'm your waiter. My name's Jonathan. Can I help you?
We'd like something to eat.
Okay. Here's the menu.
Thanks.
What would you like to drink?
An orange juice for me.
And for me, some mineral water.
All right. I'll be right back.
I'm just so hungry. Aren't you?
Not really, just a bit.
All right. Here's your juice and a bottle of mineral water.
Thanks.
So, what can I get you?
I'd like the spinach and mushroom omelette and the pasta with tomatoes.
1 spinach and mushroom omelette and the pasta. And for you?
A mixed salad, please.
All right. Would you like a starter?
No, thanks. Just the salad.
All right. We're closing in half an hour. Do you want a dessert too?
Oh, yes. Let me see. Oh, I know. The vanilla and chocolate ice cream, please.
Excellent. And what would you like for dessert?
No dessert for me, thank you. But I'll have some tea later.
All right. Thanks very much. I'll be right back.
Half an hour later.
Can we have the bill, please?
Of course. Did you like your meal?
It was delicious.
I'm glad you liked it. And the salad?
Yeah, it was okay.
OK, that's £28 then.
Is the tip included?
Yes, it is. We include 10% service charge.
Thank you. Here you are.
Thanks very much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Sam,
Yes? What is it?
is there a problem? You don't seem very happy.
Well, it's just...
What is it?
I'm really hungry.
You're not.
Yes, I am.
But you...
I know, but I...
Okay. Did you figure out who eats more? I think it was Jane. I think the girl eats more. Okay, let's listen again and see if we can... Okay, if you already know the answers to these questions, write them down. You're so cool. Right now, though, we're going to listen again, and I'm going to write down the answers to these questions when I hear them. You do the same thing. All right, let's listen one more time.
Unit 3, page 33. Listening. Exercises 2 and 3.
Hello, I'm your waiter. My name's Jonathan. Can I help you?
We'd like something to eat.
Okay. Here's the menu.
Thanks.
What would you like to drink?
An orange juice for me.
And for me, some mineral water.
All right. I'll be right back.
I'm just so hungry. Aren't you?
Not really, just a bit.
All right. Here's your juice and a bottle of mineral water.
Thanks.
So, what can I get you?
I'd like the spinach and mushroom omelette and the pasta with tomatoes.
1 spinach and mushroom omelette and the pasta. And for you?
A mixed salad, please.
All right. Would you like a starter?
No, thanks. Just the salad.
All right. We're closing in half an hour. Do you want a dessert too?
Oh, yes. Let me see. Oh, I know. The vanilla and chocolate ice cream, please.
Excellent. And what would you like for dessert?
No dessert for me, thank you. But I'll have some tea later.
All right. Thanks very much. I'll be right back.
Half an hour later.
Can we have the bill, please?
Of course. Did you like your meal?
It was delicious.
I'm glad you liked it. And the salad?
Yeah, it was okay.
Okay, that's £28 then.
Is the tip included?
Yes, it is. We include 10% service charge.
Thank you. Here you are.
Thanks very much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Sam,
Yes? What is it?
is there a problem? You don't seem very happy.
Well, it's just...
What is it?
I'm really hungry.
You're not.
Yes, I am.
But you...
I know, but I...
All right. Let me ask you, is Sam happy? Does Sam like this restaurant? No, he doesn't. How do I know? Because Sam said, Jane said, Sam, is there a problem? Sam, yo meo wenti. And Sam said, I'm hungry. How could he be hungry if he just ate a salad? Because the salad was not good. Sam doesn't like the food. He didn't eat very much. And so he's not really that happy. All right, let's talk about what Jane ordered. She ordered orange juice and an omelet and pasta and ice cream. Sam only orders mineral water, salad, and tea. Wow, that's not very much. Sam doesn't want a starter. The waiter, 服务员, 说了, would you like a starter? And Sam said, no thanks, I don't want a starter. A starter 是吃在你的大顿饭前面的一个小零食. That was a pretty fun one. Let's do this one. All right, the waiter said, can I help you? And somebody said, something to like something to eat. Okay. 我想要可以吃的一个东西。我将要Okay, we're supposed to use get, menu, drink, weed, some, and bill. All right. Get like something to eat, menu like something to eat, drink like something to eat, weed like something to eat. Weed 的意思是 we would. 我们会喜欢某种可以吃的东西。Weed. Here's the 什么. Okay, they just got to the restaurant, so they probably want to look at the menu. 菜单. Here's the menu. Thanks. What would you like to 什么? What would you like to eat? 都可以. What would you like to drink? 都可以. They only have drink here, so this has got to be drink. An orange juice for me, please. And for me, 什么 mineral water, please. Get mineral water, please. Get mineral water, please. 有道理。它的意思是还有我呢，给我 mineral water 吧。Get mineral water. No, 这是有点粗暴。I think it's some. 一些水，请问你 some mineral water. What can I 什么 you? What can I get you? 我可以给你什么？我可以帮你拿到什么东西？ I'd like the spinach and mushroom omelet. Would you like a starter? 你想要一个前面的零食吗？ Yes, please. Can I have the 什么 please? Wait. Yes, please. Can I have the我们要选择他说 no thanks 还是他说 yes please can I have the 什么 please? Would you like a starter? I think Sam said no thanks. 不要谢谢. Can we have the 什么 please? Of course, that's £15.99. 比如说 okay, bill 的意思是菜单的意思是买单我们可不可以买单? Can we have the bill, please? Of course, that's ba 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 ba. Here you are. Thank you. Bye bye. Thanks very much. Thank you. Bye. All right, we're done with that one. How'd you do? I think next class, I'm going to give you some homework for this. So for now, right now, we're going to end this class. I had so much fun with you, and you did a great job. Thanks for sticking around. 加油 and goodbye. See you in the next one.